always ensuring your safety. NDMA.
Mi chapang tay pelang pesa wo yo nong.
Duar benai dekela achat.
Ijing yo iwas wat bai wa kamai.
Good evening, viewers. We welcome you to today's news edition. First, let's hear a quick look at the headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurates biennial Air Show and Aerospace Exhibition Aero India 2023 in Bengaluru. Congress releases charge sheet against NPP-led MDA government. Next Chief Minister will be from BJP, says senior BJP leader A.L. Hek. And BJP spokesperson M. Kharkrang demands investigation into exorbitant expenditure of COVID fund. The news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi says the government's target is to take defence export to $5 billion by 2024-25. He said India will soon be the world's largest defence manufacturing base. Addressing the inaugural function of Aero India 2023 in Karnataka's Bengaluru, Modi said the nation is touching new heights today and Aero India 2023 is a prime example of this. He said the theme of Aero India, the runaway to a billion opportunities, reflects the rise of the country in different spheres. Addressing the gathering, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh said that under Prime Minister's able leadership, India is emerging as a leader in every sphere. He said Aero India has provided a new strength to the defence sector.
से डर नहीं लगता जो सबसे ऊंची उड़ान भरने के लिए उत्साहित है आज का भारत तेज सोचता है दूर की सोचता है और तुरंत फैसले लेता है ठीक वैसे
The Congress has released a charge sheet against the NPP-led MDA government for the corruption cases in Meghalaya in a press conference held today at Congress Bhavan, Shillong. AICC Media and Publicity Chairman Pawan Khera, along with the AICC Media coordinators in a press release today, reproduced a 10-point charge sheet mention about alleged scam in the construction of the Assembly building, COVID scam of missing 43 crores, rice scam, Swabhagya scam, non-utilization certificates worth 500 crore under Muda, coal scam, excise and bulk, bond cartelization scam, casino scam and government contract scam and police vehicle purchase scam.
We've done some research, not much effort required, because every single citizen of this beautiful state knows what we are about to say. They are aware of what went wrong. Everybody knows that the temple of democracy, which is the assembly, how the dome fell. The report has been very scathing in its observation. But tell me, if any head rolled, was anyone punished? Was anybody held accountable? What happened? You can't put such a beautiful state to shame because of some corrupt leaders.
The race for Chief Minister's chair has already begun with a fortnight to go for the election in Meghalaya. Several political parties are in a publicity war to outdo each other in projecting their choice for the Chief Minister's chair. After the UDP made its preference known on the Chief Minister's post, the BJP declares its ambition to go all out for the hot seat. While speaking to reporters, senior BJP leader A.L. Hek deviated from his previous stand of projecting himself as the BJP's chief ministerial face and said it does not matter who takes the crown, but it has to be from BJP and it will be a reality. He said that his party is determined to win as many seats as possible and BJP will spring a surprise with more number of seats this time.
The BJP, this is the first time in the history of BJP Meghalaya contesting all the 60 seats. I am also the leader. If you want to serve, I also want to serve as a chief minister. That is what I'm saying this. If other leaders from BJP also they want to serve as a chief minister, I am also there to support them, to work under anybody. We have no problem to work under anybody, but under the BJP leadership. That's all only we know.
Former Meghalaya COP and BJP spokesperson M. Kharkrang demanded an investigation into the exorbitant expenditure of COVID fund. Kharkrang said that this should not be mere agenda and there should be an investigation as how come a state like Meghalaya with small population incurred a huge expenditure of more than 800 crores, whereas states like Assam and Manipur, which had more cases than Meghalaya, incurred a total expenditure of mere 200 to 250 crores for tackling COVID.
Figure has been arrived at and where have they spent this amount? And I just hope, the thing is, this has to be investigated into. This has to be, this cannot be just be an election agenda. This has to go beyond that. Because 813 crores for a state like Meghalaya, when all other states like Assam and all are spending 250 crores, Manipur spending 77 crores, Meghalaya with 35 lakhs or so population spending 830 crores is astounding, and I really don't have any more words to say. And if this is not a scam, then I don't know what this is.
In view of the Meghalaya Assembly elections, the Election Commission has increased the vigilance of the administration. Every vehicle is being checked. It is known that the Election Commission has declared many areas of Meghalaya as sensitive under illegal economic transaction. In the run-up to the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly elections 2023, which scheduled to be held on February 27, the Model Code of Conduct has come into force. Since then, the police have started intensive checking of vehicle for movement inside the district. Along with the rest of the country, Shillong observed the week for Financial Literacy Week 2023 at Hotel Taj Vivanta, Shillong. The Financial Literacy Week, which kick-started today, will end on 17 of February 2023. The theme of this year is Good Financial Behavior, Your Savior. The theme aligns with the overall strategic objectives of the National Strategy for Financial Education 2020-25, which aims at building financial resilience and well-being while creating awareness among members of public. Focus will be on creating awareness about savings, planning and budgeting and prudent use of digital financial services. Speaking on the occasion as the Chief Guest Commissioner and Secretary Finance Department Government of Meghalaya, Dr. Vijay Kumar said that more awareness should be done, especially in the rural areas where farmers are discouraged to take loan from the bank because they will have to pay high rate of interest. He also asked the concerned department to create awareness about financial fraud and asked to create a demand for financial assistance so that people will come forward to avail the financial schemes. The weather report. The maximum temperature was recorded at 16.2 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was 7.1 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 78%, while in the evening it was 88%. Forecast: dry weather is most likely to occur at isolated places. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune in into our daily bulletin.
Wait up.
Well, viewers, that is all we have for you from our newsroom this evening. Till we meet again, take care.